Hello, welcome back. And we are now in our lesson 8 for social media training, social media marketing training. So today we're going to talk about customer relationship management and live chat. So first, you must have your Facebook page. Then I'm going to my page. This one here. I've just made this because I already have configured the other Facebook page. So dito tayo sa page kong Healthbit. Now, you click on Settings. So, once you're in the settings, paki-click po yung messaging. Then in messaging, you can see the other sections here, the general settings, response assistant, and appointment messaging. So, we're not going anything there. You click this, go to automated responses. I have a very slow connection. In Tagalog, usad pagong. Okay, now we are here in the automated responses section. So first we go to away message. So when away messages are on, your page is away and sends away messages. So even if you are not online, if somebody will send you a message, it will automatically send them back, reply them back. If you are going to configure this or turn on your away message. So edit natin. So it says here, customized message. Thanks for your message. We're away and can't respond right now. We appreciate you reaching out. So um, you can change this message if you want, or you can customize. So you can also add the name for personalization. For example, I'm going to add my name here. Oops. Hindi dyan. Here at the first part. So, ayan. So, pumasok yung name ko. Then, I'm going to save it and preview. So, ito lumabas na siya. Thanks for your message. Where are we at? Okay. Hindi siya lumabas dyan. May BAM yun eh. Wait. So, this one. I'm going to personalize. Okay. So, ito, lumabas siya dito. So, thanks for your message. We're away and can't respond you right now. So, greet customers. Ito. So, pwede mong lagyan to or you can change your time zone. So, next is your instant reply. So, in your instant reply, you can turn it on. So, this one, you can change the message. You can customize it if you want. Then, add personalization. Just saved it. Then, preview in Messenger. You can see that your name, I mean, the prospect's name that is personalized will be seen here. So we're going to save that. So there. Then next is response to feedback. Page recommended. So this one, if you're going to turn this on, then you can customize the message. You can also add image. You can change the image here. This will take long. So next is you can also upload a video. Okay, then just save it and it will be shown here in your messages. So we're going to turn this on if you want. The next is page not recommended. So if your client had a bad experience, so automatically you're going to respond through this. So you are going to turn this on if you want, or off. So you're going to change this customized message if you want, then add personalization. Then you can also recommend a link or a video. You can attach a video or an image that will promote more, so that the clients will go back or will send you another feedback, or maybe they will get interested again. So it says here, if you're going to save this in your page not recommended, it says, so your message will show like this: hi, we're sorry you had a bad experience, please let us know how we can improve. So uh, let's turn this on, and this one, because it will help you boost your page. So yung clients mo, they will feel more important kasi you are giving them something na to resolve resolve an issue, which they had a bad experience in your page. So that's it. What else? If you're going to save that, all of the changes will be changed. So next is your, let's go back to your messaging. Your settings. So you can configure some of the settings here if you want. So there are age restrictions, country restrictions, and so on. So um, let's go to your inbox. Next is how to save messages on your Facebook page. Let's click on inbox. So now we are here in the messages section of your Facebook page. So I don't have any messages yet. We will go to my other page to demonstrate how it's working. So now I'm on my other page. So this is my uh, service page. Then we will go to inbox. Masyadong mabagal yung internet. Sorry. So this one is my inbox. So how do you create a saved messages? So we're going to do this now. Punta ako dito kay Bam Valencia. Bam Valencia is my personal profile in Facebook. So I am in my personal page or my service page. So I'm going to make her a practice. Kunyari siya yung client ko, practice client or customer. So we're going to make saved messages. So we're going to create saved replies. So click this. So first, let's say she's going to ask a questions on what are my services. So enter reply title, services, services offered. What are your offered services? So I'm going to write a message. I'm a graphic designer. And photographer. I have packages in photography. So I have a graphic design, photography, and web design services. Then click save. So if they're going to click this question, what are your offered services? So I already have the save replies. So next is wait, print screen. So next is we're going to create another saved replies. So what question? How much is your rate? In graphic design, can give you give you 250 per layout. In photography, My basic package is 5,000. Been saved. So next is the third one. If they will ask about your portfolio, can I view your, do you have any portfolio? Do you have any samples or portfolio? You can view my portfolio. I'm going to add a website, so this is not a real website. If you have a website or any um, landing pages for your services, like if you have a portfolio in your Facebook page or your LinkedIn, you can attach the URL link here. So for example, I'm going to attach my attach my website URL here. You can view my portfolio here at www.deepandpaint.com. So this is my website that I'm still working on. You can view my portfolio. So there. So I got 3 samples of saved messages. So I hope that um, I have helped you with creating your Facebook save replies and messages. So thank you for watching. I hope that I can help you this, and good day.